everyone, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winners drawing for March. And I'm going to spin 5 times, and each winner is going to win 1 kit from my Etsy store. You can decide which kit you want to receive yourself. The only kit that is excluded is the one that we are using in April. All other kits are included as a prize. And the best way to contact me is via my Etsy store. There's a contact seller button, and you can contact me over there, and also add the link of the kit you want to receive in the message, so I already know which one you want to receive. Please do know it's going to take me a while because we have 6 groups and each group has 5 kits. 6 times 5, that is 30 people that are going to contact me. Or if somebody wins several times, it's going to be a little less people, but I still need to send out 30 kits. I need to create links for those 30 kits and also need to send out a message including the links. So I'm not going to do that all today. It's going to take me a few days to get everything ready. So I hope you will understand, because I do need to sleep sometimes too. But yeah, here we go for the first spin. I just checked the sound, if the ticking of the sound is still on, but it is. So I'm going to spin for the first winner. And if your name pops up as a winner, I will delete your name after that. And you will no longer be able to win a second time in this drawing. But it is the same as we usually do. And we have Beatrice as a winner. Congratulations, Beatrice. Well, you already know how to contact me. Just removing your name. And here we go for the second spin. And one of the second winner, sorry, not one of the winners, but the second winner is Renee Stockwell. Congratulations, Renee. Removing your name from the wheel. And this is the third spin. I wanted to add the thank you visible image, but it says thank you because of all the names are entered. And the third winner in this drawing is Yvonne Kruid. Oh, that really pleases me because I know she has been through a rough time lately. So Yvonne, you won. Yay! And I believe you still have to collect the prizes from the previous drawings. So please do that when you are ready. No rush. I'm going to delete your name from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin for the 4th time. I was drinking a little coffee while I was doing this. So that's what you hear in the background, the spoon in my cup. I had a delicious cappuccino. My son made one. And Mel Cogburn, congratulations, you won a prize too. And I'm going to remove your name completely from the wheel. Okay, I wanted to erase Mel's name from the wheel, but I also wanted to check if I had it correct that it was the 4th drawing I was doing, because I lost count, to be honest. But I do have to make one drawing, but I couldn't delete Mel's name from the wheel like I usually did, so I removed it from the list of entries. So she's no longer in, and if she is in and I draw her again, of course I will have to spin it another time. This is the 5th drawing. I was a little bit confused about the 4th or the 5th time. I think it was because of the coffee. It got me confused. And usually coffee does make your brain work better and get you focused. But in this case, it was the other way around. But this is the final drawing in LineDotArrow. Make sure you watch the other videos too. And you can't text the group owners and say, hey, did I win in your drawing? That's not nice. Please do watch the drawings yourself and then claim your prizes. And Tina Lindsay, you won a prize too. Congratulations, Tina. Yeah, this is the final name to draw in this drawing, and I want to thank everybody for joining in with the challenges, and I hope you will join in with the April challenges, because it's going to be different than we usually do, because it's a celebration month. I'm going to celebrate my 5-year Etsy anniversary and also my 5-year Facebook anniversary, to be honest, and almost 5 years on YouTube too. But because of that, we do have the weekly challenges. We have already, we always do, like the 3 weeks with the free papers, and then the 4th week to finish your projects. But alongside those challenges, there will be 5 weeks with 1 week challenges hosted by the LineDotArrow Facebook admins. And you can use the kit from this month, so the Blue Memories Part 2. You can use the weekly challenge papers for April to use in those challenges too. You can use the Ko-Fi freebie, and that's also on the Facebook. That is the 5 background backing papers, neutral colors like coffee dyed colors. And you can use the kit, the mini kit, the Dutch themed mini kit that is called Let's Go Dutch, 10 pages, and that is only available in the Facebook group. So you have so many things to work with. If you use the free papers, your post is going to count as 1 entry. And if you use the kit together with the free papers or just the kit, it's going to count as 2 entries. You can post in all 6 groups using the same hashtag for the events challenges that is going to be hosted by the Facebook admins. So the 5-day host, and also the 4i host. So we have 9 different challenges going on, but you can all use the same hashtag and the same papers. So no confusion about that. There's no separate hashtag for each event. We all use the same hashtag LDA 5-year anniversary. Okay, this is it for today. I quickly have to get ready to make dinner, and tonight, my tonight in the Netherlands, but over when you're in the US, it's going to be in the afternoon. I'm going to do a live video together with the 2 sisters, Dana and Stacy Merritt. So I have to be prepared. So I have to quickly make dinner, and then I will be back to do a live video. And the first week challenge video for April, I posted it, I think, half an hour, 45 minutes ago. So if you want to check that one out, creating the first week challenge, yeah, you're welcome. And the papers are already in the Facebook group. Again, thank you all so much for joining. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment if you want to. And yeah, send me a message via Etsy if you are one of the winners, and I hope to see you the next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.